The purpose page, if you look at the top of the page, you'll see my banner. As you hover over the banner, you'll see a little hand appear. That's because there's a hyperlink built into it to bring you back to the index page. The meat and potatoes of the project are the prompts, the introduction, followed by prompt A, indicate the name of the innovation, provide a clear description of its intended purpose, such as the problem that the innovation solved, the opportunity the innovation created, or the discovery that the innovation made possible. So the innovation that we're talking about, the wearable tech, has been around since 2007. Before we get into what happened in 2007, I want to kind of give a little bit of background in computers themselves, because it actually kind of comes into play with the evolution of where we're going with this technology. In 1822, the calculator was conceptualized. It took 120 years for it to go from concept to fruition to an actual working model. It took another 30 years for the computer to evolve from tubes to microprocessors. And then things start to speed up a little bit. So in 1982, the first laptop is introduced, 32 gigabytes of memory. And then we kind of leap ahead to 2007. The iPhone is introduced. The significance of this is that it's actually a portable device that has a bunch of little devices all inclusive. So your iPhone is not only a phone, it's also your MP3 player, it's a GPS, and it has the same technology that the laptop that was introduced in 1983 has. So you actually can surf the web. It does have a lot of the uh, same functions with faster processing speed. All right. So as I said earlier, 2007 is kind of the beginning of the wearable tech. Um, so where do you go from 2007 to now? Well, the computer chips keep getting smaller and smaller. They could do more and more. So the next step in evolution is for these wearables to actually become something that we wear on the inside, internalize. Um, so you can see I have a couple of graphs that pictures that kind of support this. My favorite one is actually the person in the bathtub using their iPhone. The interface for the iPhone is actually graphed onto the skin, and everything else is internalized. And then you have this other image that has embeddables, the next evolution of wearable tech. It kind of shows where the wearable tech will be going, basically what it does and where it will actually be implanted.